Today, we're diving into DocuSign, one of the leading e-signature platforms out there. But is it really as user-friendly and reliable as everyone claims? Let's explore its features and see if it lives up to the hype. DocuSign, which in summary versus streamline the signing process for documents online. At its core, it allows users to send, sign, and manage documents securely in a digital format. The user interface is generally clean and straightforward, making it relatively easy for both tech-savvy and less experienced users to navigate. One of the standout features is its extensive integration capabilities with other software like Google Drive and Salesforce, which can be a big plus for businesses looking to incorporate e-signatures into their workflow. However, while the basic signing functions are solid, some users might find the advanced features a bit overwhelming. There's also a mobile app that allows for signing on the go, which is great for busy professionals. Still, I noticed some users mention that the app could use a bit more polish in terms of functionality. Overall, while it seems to cover the essentials well, there are areas that could benefit from clearer explanations and more intuitive design. Let's talk about the pros and cons of DocuSign. On the plus side, it's incredibly reliable and has strong security measures in place, which is crucial when dealing with sensitive documents. The ease of sending and receiving signatures is also a major win, especially for businesses. However, it's not without its downsides. Some users have reported frustrations with the pricing tiers as they can get a bit steep, especially for small businesses or freelancers. Additionally, while the platform has many features, some users feel it lacks a few customization options that could really enhance their experience. Lastly, if you're someone who prefers a very simple interface, you might find DocuSign a bit cluttered with all its functionalities. It's definitely worth considering if you need robust e-signature capabilities, but there are alternatives out there that might suit different needs better. In conclusion, DocuSign is a solid choice for anyone needing a reliable e-signature platform, especially businesses that require security and integration. However, if you're a freelancer or a small business on a tight budget, it might be worth exploring some alternatives. Overall, it's worth trying out if you value efficiency and security in your document signing process.